strawberry, nothing. Sensational! Y'all couldn't tell me nothing anyway, but y'all really can't tell me nothing now. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Strawberry, and I am back with another video!
I can be your sunshine, I can be your sunshine, I can be your angel, I can be your angel. I can make you smile for a lifetime, baby, yeah.
What's up, my quarantine cuties? So today, we are going to be installing this wonderful braided wig. Sis, what? Yes, braided wig. This is a wig. This is a wig. I'm gonna say it one more time. This is a wig, shorty. This is a wig. Woo! I came up on a gym. I walked in a beauty supply store and I was looking at the wig and the wig was looking at me and the wig said, "Ain't you been looking for me?" And then I said, "Hell yeah, I've been looking for you!" And boom, I bought her. Money well spent. If you want to see me slay this braided wig, then keep on watching. Now this gem was made by Sensational. It's 100% hand braided lace wig, but it's 100% connect line hair. Now, I feel like this is the future. Baby ain't like, she ain't waist length on me. I'm 5'10". She ain't waist length, but she is long. I would say she is like a good 22, maybe, yeah, like 22 inches. Okay, so let's get into the construction. So boom, you have that whole frontal piece. It's a whole entire frontal, and it even come with baby hairs. Baby hairs, bro. Baby hairs. Look at the hairline. You have 2 combs, and then you got a comb in the back. Adjustable strap, and it also has a band. Let's just do the initial try. I'm gonna try it on. Try baby on. So you can clearly see my stocking cap. You can clearly see my stocking cap under here. So I think I'm gonna take my stocking cap off. I've never worn a braided wig, but that looks so much better without the stocking cap. You could just instantly get braids like this. So I can go from ponytail to braids in 10 minutes. Are you serious though? And it even has a little guide right here telling you where not to cut. That's dope. Cut it up. Y'all know I'm going with my Got2B Glue. I have bow hold, but I don't want it to hold on that long. I need it to let go. Take my wig, I'm gonna place it in the middle where I want it to go. My edges are still out. I do. I don't gotta tie it all the way. For what? For why? So you see where I got the extra glue at? So I'm gonna take my alcohol. Lot of body. Look at that. Look. What? Y'all can't tell Strawberry nothing. Y'all couldn't tell me nothing anyway, but y'all really can't tell me nothing now. Sensational! Sensational! Y'all showed out. I got braids without the paint. I got braids without spending all that coin. I'm gonna have this for so much longer than I was gonna have any braids. Because I know me, I was gonna get the braids, wear them for probably like a month, and then like take them out. I paid $130 for my wig, but on some websites I saw that it was like $150, $160, and then plus tax, and then plus shipping and stuff. But I got mine on the clutch, you know what I'm saying? I had to get mine while the getting was good. That's it, y'all. That is really it. It was real quick, real simple. It wasn't too much to it. It's your girl Strawberry, you know. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that's the most important thing. Thank y'all for kicking it with your girl. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, berries.